Alright.
As you can see, he is on top.
And you can just explore from here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get on next.
And the next step requires 2 people.
Yeah.
Well, the first step requires, if you do this thing and you do the next step, it requires 3 people at least, which isn't that much. So,
alright, Jacob.
If you want to do just the part where you do this, it only requires 2. If you get lucky, 1.
Alright, let's go. Follow me. Let me lock on real fast, Jake.
By the way, you'll get unlimited ammo if you get on top there.
Alright, bring him up. Yeah, as you can see, it's not patched because my friend apparently just did it. I'm getting up here. I'm going to lock on. I honestly think it might be easier to do one at a time because, I don't know, it's just, I don't know.
And the date right now to say it's not patched is, because some videos are really old.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just checking the
Bring
date.
him up here real fast. Let me lock
Turn on my phone.
Oh, shit.
You'll get revived, dudes. It's patience. It's all about patience. It's actually not that hard. He just keeps going down.
Alright, I'm locked on.
Today is Sunday, 4 o'clock, 27th of July. In Canada, hours 6 o'clock. Ontario.
Yes, and as you can see, I'm up too also. Oh!
Oh.
Fuck it.
There, dude.
I'll tell you what, fuck you all, the fucking Call of Duty fucking makers, putting death bears and shit. I'll edit that out. I'll edit that out. Yeah, I'll edit that out.
Right here. Alright, so ended up until this point.
Yeah, shit. Go ahead and kill him so I can get up there real fast. Damn, that was funny as hell. Dude.
See, I'm still up here.
I figured it out, though. I figured out where you have to line it up. You have to line your crosshair, the left one, all the way up right onto the line where that first step starts. And then, as soon as then it works. But I have to be fast with it.
Hey, can you edit out this, too? Edit this out like me talking right now, and edit out you failing on the death barrier.
I will. I will.
Alright. So, I'm up here, you can just cruise up here, and if you're on solo, the zombies will they'll just come out of their barriers and they'll just stay there. So you can just shoot them for random. And the person that's not in the, you know, like I said,
shit, I lost my HK.
Then, yeah, so these 2 people, the only way to get that other person to get power-ups, and they can do the other glitch, so you can get power-ups. I think you might be able to, in this glitch, you might be able to do power-ups. I'm not sure though.
But with with the glitch we're talking about that you need to. Alright. We don't want to kill too many, but
I know, I just wanted to. Oh, back ammo. Jacob, run.
And
needs. Pretty awesome up here. If you have to deal with everything, you can just mow down zombies for days.
Alright. As you can see, we have 1 zombie left, so I'm gonna lock onto him real fast.
It's pretty easy to do this glitch, by the way, guys. Myself has been trying for a lot. Try hard and just hasn't been getting it.
I mean,
first time we ever did this, I got it first try, and he was like trying 50 times. It was so funny. It's just a memory.
Alright, I'm ready. Yeah, well. Alright, once I'm up, I'm gonna come and lock onto this dude. See, I've got this glitch down packed every time I can do it. It's just that glitch is new to me. It's not new, but. Alright, I'm locked on. Wait, not yet. I'm locked on.
Alright. I'm out of your way. I'm inside the lamppost, just so that.
Alright, bring him over there.
Hey, zombie. Alright, give us one more attempt. You saw me do this, so you know it's not touched.
Yeah.
I would
See,
just.
Matt, edit out all the stuff too you do.
I will. I'm even gonna edit it out until I get it. Like, I'm gonna cut scenes or whatever.
Yeah.
Alright, see, I got
Okay.
this shit down, but.
Yeah, that's what's right there is easy.
Hell yeah.
Yeah,
it is.
that's
The
easy.
truck one is difficult.
Oh, I gotta get this one to come up here again.
This is not one with me.
I gotta hurry because my
He's
battery's
not
at
cooperating.
15%.
He ain't cooperating with us.
Yeah,
Don't you know
cooperate.
you're on camera?
Wait, so you're editing all the stuff out too until you get it?
Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
Alright.
Do it.
He's the one that's off me.
Alright, guys.
Alright.
The zombie's right above me.
That's
Too big, too big, too big.
that's the glitch, you guys. See you guys next time, and make sure you subscribe.